All right, so today on the menu is this pan roasted tilapia with these roasted potatoes, some chunky sliced lemon, Kalamata olives, a little bit of fennel from the garden. Wonderful dish, lovely dinner, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off by roasting the potatoes with the olives and the lemon. I love this style of preparing potatoes. It's one of my favorites. Really good with chicken. Just kind of wedge them out. Just simple little wedges. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. Let's put these over here. Spread them out a little bit. And then slice the lemon. Could do this just down the middle and just slices. Relatively thin, you know, not too thin, but still have a little chunkiness. There we go. I'm gonna put these just right over the potatoes. Just sprinkle them. I'm not gonna use all of them for the potatoes. I'm gonna save just a few for actually the tilapia, just to baste it with some aromatics. There you go, just like that. And then I'm actually gonna put some of the olive juice right at the bottom of the tray. Some of the juice, and then just the whole olives right over the top. This is all gonna roast together. Some provincial herbs, got oregano, marjoram, little thyme, rosemary. And you want a really good amount of olive oil, like almost drenched. You want just a little bit of salt, and then some really chunky cracked pepper. Good amount. And this is gonna go into a 425-degree oven for around 15 to 20 minutes, just until everything's nice and roasted and the potatoes are tender. Oof, man, that looks good. You just wanna stir these, a little gentle stir, just so the edges don't get away from you. Put that back in the oven. Finish cooking. All right, time for the tilapia. If you guys want your fix for fish, I mean, this is what, $6.87 for 3 pretty good fillets. I think this costs like 12 to 14, maybe 15 bucks for a family of 4. Really good dinner price. Definitely not a bad way to go about fish. I'm just gonna be cooking 1 fillet, save the rest for later. And these are they're really beautiful fillets, to be honest with you. That's a good one. I'm just gonna season the fish, a little bit of salt. Put a good amount of oil in there. Put a little bit of butter. Kind of helps the pan almost become non-stick, just a little bit. Now we're gonna add in some chopped fennel and some lemons. Flip the fish over. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Just fry that all together. Really kind of bring out all the aromatics. And almost just like a steak, kind of baste the top of it. And this fish is ready to go. Beautiful. Let's pull the potatoes out. And this is ready to plate. I just love this combo. I've had this with chicken predominantly, at least the potato portion of this dish. And it is just such a win every time I make it. It goes good with everything. The olive, lemon, herb combo, it's a win. What a great recipe. Had a lot of fun making this dish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, comment down below if you guys want more recipe videos like this one. I'll leave some equipment links in my description box if you guys want to shop those, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.